Hello and welcome back to our channel. It's been a while we have published some recipes, and so for this time, it's a healthy meal prep idea that can be served for lunch or maybe for dinner. It is a vegan recipe of a veg pulao. It's loaded with veggies, nuts, and makes a great choice for those of you on weight loss regimes. So get to the recipe and check out how easy it is to make. First, let's prep the rice for making this veg pulao. Here I'm taking the long basmati rice. You can opt for any rice of your choice that are not sticky. Measure the quantity of rice as per your need and soak for about 5 to 10 minutes while we make the other preps. Let's get to make a quick ground paste of spices for this veg pulao. Into a grinder jar, I'm adding garlic, ginger, green chilies, half portion of an onion, and a handful of mint leaves. Now it is this ground paste which makes this pulao special. Simply grind them to a smooth paste and then keep it aside. In the meanwhile, take a heavy bottom pan or a cooking pot. I prefer to use ghee for this recipe, but you can also switch it with unsalted butter. Next, we add the whole spices. The whole details of the ingredients with measurements are available in our website, and there's a link to the website in the description below and here in the I button. And then let's continue adding the ground paste. Add the whole of it. All the details about the ingredients and the measurements are cited in our website, and there's a link to our website in the description below. Saute for about 3 to 5 minutes or till it's roasted well, and it's good to keep at low flame. Now you can make this veg pulao anytime when you're free and store it in the refrigerator. It stays good for about 2 to 3 days, and then whenever required, you can reheat and use it if you are on a busy schedule or maybe tired to cook for the day. In the meantime, let's prep the veggies and get them ready. Cut the veggies uniformly and in same size. I prefer to cut the veggies in this way to make it more pleasing to the eyes. This meal prep idea is the part of the series where we have been introducing lunch recipes for each day for those of you looking out for weight loss diet ideas. Here you can see the color of the ground paste has slightly turned brown and the ghee has started to pool around. So this is the time to add the veggies. You can add any veggies of your choice and make it more colorful and nutritious. Cook the veggies for about 1 to 2 minutes. This recipe stands very close to my heart as it is one of my favorite recipes which my mom used to cook. And I picked it up from her, standing beside her and helping her whenever I was at home. But ever since, each time I started making this veg pulao of my own, I travel back to the time I spent with her, and these are memories which I keep close to my heart. Mix them all and saute. Then let's add the simple spices. First, the turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Now, I love to add some cashew nuts and raisins into this veg pulao. This actually adds an extra richness to the rice. Simply roast them for about 1 minute or so. And then it's time to add the measured amount of water required for cooking the rice. As I said earlier, this is a part of the series of lunch recipes suggestive for a weight loss diet. Also, you can find more similar recipes suitable for weight loss in our weight loss playlist, for which I'm sharing the link in the description below. If you're interested, you can also check out our playlist of breakfast recipes for weight loss. Now you can see the water is boiling. It's time to add the rice. Just wash the rice thoroughly and then add it. And I also suggest this recipe for those of you on weight loss diet as it has got veggies in itself and easily can be served with vegan or non-vegan sources of protein. But always keep in mind to manage with the portion size or just follow with the instructions of your dietitian or physician. Just squeeze in half a portion of a lemon and keep to cook the rice. It may take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the type of rice, and if you want to fasten the process, you can just cover it with a lid or simply pressure cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, after the whole process of cooking, this is how it has turned out. The rice seems to be cooked well. You can also garnish it with any greens of your choice. Our special veg pulao is ready, and so let's serve it. I love to simply serve it with a yogurt or a quick salad. It's homely, delicious, and nutritious. You can serve it for lunch or dinner, or even pack in tiffin boxes for your loved ones. But just take note of the portion size if you're on a weight loss regime. I really hope you would love to try this recipe and serve to your loved ones. Thank you for being with us and looking forward to see you soon in our next video.